Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Oscar's Watercolor Techniques. In this video, I will show you how to paint a coastal sunset. First, let me tell you that I'm using Arches watercolor paper 300 grams, 100% cotton, fine grain and cold press. The watercolor I use is Winsor & Newton and round brushes, but you can use your favorite brush. Before I begin, I'll show you the colors I'm using in this video tutorial. The first color is indigo that I'll be using for the sky and the ocean, as you can see in the painting on the right side. The second color is lemon yellow, used for the sunset shines, and then the third color is cadmium yellow that is placed on top of some parts of the lemon yellow. The fourth color is cadmium orange that I spread on the edge of the first rocks closer to the sun to create a reflection of the sun rays on the rocks. The fifth color is burnt sienna for shadowing the rocks. This is a color that I forgot to include in the color palette. The sixth color is Prince Gray, used for the shadow of the rocks and helps to create contrast together with black color. After showing you the colors palette for this painting, I use a 3H pencil with a hard tip to draw the outline of the horizon and the rocks in the water. Now it's time to take a map brush with clean water and spread it over the watercolor paper, making sure that there is a shiny reflection on the water on the paper that indicates that there is an appropriate amount of water on the paper. After applying the water, I proceed to apply a wash of indigo on the humid paper from top towards the middle. I apply more saturated indigo towards the top of the paper to create a darker tone as it gets cleared at the bottom. Still working on the humid paper, I applied a layer of diluted lemon yellow, allowing it to mix with the indigo. Following the lemon yellow, I dip my brush on the cadmium yellow with a milky consistency and spread it over some areas of the lemon yellow, allowing them to mix. Notice that I left a white area to create the effect of light shining. Remember to wash and clean the brush every time you apply a new color to avoid a surprise in color change. Next, for the clouds, I used cadmium yellow and applied enough color to make the clouds visible on the sky. I barely touched the paper with the tip of the brush. The paper is still humid and permits the colors to mix and create an interesting effect. For the ocean water, I diluted indigo on the dry paper. Here it is important to use a brush big enough to contain paint to fill the area. I'll be adding more indigo to create more texture later. It's time to paint the rocks. I begin by applying some saturated cadmium orange on the edge of the rock to create a reflection of light. Then I apply diluted burnt sienna and carefully mix it with the cadmium orange, letting them to combine. I use brown to create more contrast for the shadow of the rock and to add volume. I add Payne's Gray at the bottom of the rock that adds more volume and shade to the rock. For the rock closer to me or to the viewer, I add Payne's Gray and increase its saturation to make it darker, showing that it is an object closer to the viewer. I do the same with the rock in the middle. And for final details, I apply some black lamp at the bottom of the rock. I also apply more saturated indigo over the water. I think this painting is done. Let me take off the masking tape to see the final product. And here we have it. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel to continue producing more of these video tutorials. And don't forget to leave a comment.